Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be talking to you guys about the Crimson Thorn plant. It is a transcendent plant. Its price floor values at 189,000 shekels, average at 210,000 shekels. It's a little bit more than the maple resin, like the price value. It is the most expensive plant as well. Like, it costs 10 billion shekels to purchase, and it takes so long to grow as well. It takes 1 day and 2 hours to grow, beating Wisp Wing. So I'm not even going to wait for it to grow to kind of like, I don't know, tell you guys about it, because it's going to take me a long time to actually make the video. But anyways, yeah, that is pretty much it. I just bought it again. It got restocked again today at like 7 a.m. where I live. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. Oh, it also can be restocked by a Red Panda, possibly, but it's like super rare, so I don't know the chances of that. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.